Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake games, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my B-side.
What's up, people? Welcome back. Today I'm a little excited because my birthday's in a few days and I grabbed myself a little something. That's right, I ordered some new ski boards from Revolt 8. I threw snowboard bindings on them, so I grabbed a new pair of snowboard boots to go along with them. Let's open them up, let's check them out, let's go.
Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend.
Well, there you have it, my new boards. I am excited, extremely excited to go out and check these bad boys out. Ah, they feel so smooth, obviously, brand new. Don't you just love new stuff? So they have the Revolt 8 on the back here. They got a picture of Talon. And if you look throughout it, there's various other things that are, that signify Talon Sei's Stuff and Things channel. And if you want to look at his unboxing and he explains all the images on the board, I'll link Talon Sei's video also down below. And then here's the boots. I just grabbed a pair of K2s, some Raiders. I wanted to have something to go with these. And I got them with the nice BOA system that I haven't had before. So I'm hoping that I'm really gonna love the pair of these and the set of these, and I'm hoping that you guys are gonna love it too. I'm excited. I know I love new things, especially new gadgets and gear. That's just me. Gadgets and gear for life. That's what I'm talking about. Gadgets and gear for life. Let's do that. Better than that, new gadgets and gear for life. Can somebody make that happen? All right, now it's time to try them on. There we go. New boots on. Oh yeah, I like them. All right. Now I guess the only thing left to do is, there we go. They're on and ready to go. Woohoo! And the risers bring the boots high enough off the board so that you can do your carving. All right, here I am, first time on these ski boards. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited about these, but truly has been a long time. And my last time out, we only went out for like an hour or so, or 2 hours. So same thing today, real quick run. Here we go.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake games, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my B-side. I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got a nosebleed. Money on the floor, can't get cold feet. Took an L, should've put it in the offering. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dawn. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in, I get it in. Hit for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in. I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my win, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
All right, so here you have the Revolts by Revolt 8. These were made in conjunction with Talon Sei and his YouTube channel, Stuff and Things. I love the design, the lime green and the black. I love the way they look. I've done skiing, done snowboarding, but I haven't done skiboarding. So I'm new to skiboarding, and we're gonna give that a shot.
For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, can't play pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process, and I only know it takes time. You can get it. Got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
I can tell you what, this is a lot more tiring than I remember. So far, I love the way the snowboard boots look on these ski boards. I think they're gonna work well with it. I think the risers give it enough rise so that when I carve on the sides, it'll dig into the snow like it's designed to do. Because I know a couple of people had questioned me about that. They said, how are you gonna wear snowboard boots and bindings on ski boards because they're too wide? Well, their design adds risers and adds a little height and gives you the ability to still use them that way. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna love it the way I think I'm gonna love it. I'm hoping that I'm gonna enjoy it the way I think I'm gonna enjoy it. So again, gadgets and gear for life. You know me, you know I love new gadgets and new gear. So let's check it out and see how I'm gonna love these.
Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice wall, ice wall, ice wall. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Came for my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time.
Whew. Almost down. This trail is about 3.1, 3.2 miles down. And like I said, it's been like 10 years since I really did any riding of anything. Today's run is a lot further, a lot longer. Whew. And a lot more work. But I can tell you, these things are so much fun. Old man break is over.
I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. For my wins, I need my hands. This life is real, if they pretend. Came off the bench, I get it in, I get it in. next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me now. Let's just checks involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God. Never fold, never ever fold, never ever stone a Rolling Stone till I'm in Rolling Stone. Bet I'm close to gold, need a place, need a safer bank. I've been saving change, I need some space, chatting in my face, get from around my way. Hey, what you saying? Where you at now? I swear that once I leave my city, never coming back down. Wait from pushing tapes to glowing up around the map now. Real hot summer, keep my cool, I never act out. Hey, yes indeed. Recognize what you want, may not be what you need. Won't take control of me, but I got mouths to feed. Hustle smart, not hard to still get it by any means.
So if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can be notified when I make more, because I'm definitely planning on going out on these a lot. Not that I'm any great snowboarder or skiboarder, but I do want to go out and have some fun. And if you're a fan of gadgets, you're a fan of gear, and you're a fan of fun, you may like watching what I put out. So come back again and check us out, and we'll see you next time.
Please, never not, never under yard, never ever, I'm forever on. Check my repertoire, check my repertoire, don't check me now. Let's just check involved. I've been feeling like I'm next to God, next to God, next to God. Never not, never under yard, never ever.